How to go live on the Bigo Live app. So first install the app if you haven't already, then go ahead and open it. After a few moments, your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options pop up on your screen, but simply tap on the middle option on the bottom of your screen, which is in blue color right here. After tapping on it, you'll be asked to confirm your decision to enable camera and microphone. Simply tap on confirm, then it will redirect you to a page or a screen something like this. Here you'll see a go live option right here. Simply tap on go live and this is it. This is how you can go live on the Bigo Live app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.